Best Latin Dance Shoes for Ladies, Beginner's Guide. In this video, we are going to show you our top Latin dance shoes for ladies. So keep watching till the end. Perhaps the most important item you need for dance is the right pair of shoes. When you enjoy the Latin dances, having the right shoes will allow you to perform with the balance and style you need to execute the dance moves flawlessly and safely. Your shoes will allow your feet comfort, and they will protect you from suffering an injury. Latin dance shoes are lightweight and have leather soles that allow you to glide effortlessly across the dance floor. They are flexible and allow your feet to move as is necessary to perform the steps. You need the responsiveness provided by these specialized shoes to have a greater connection to the floor. The best Latin dance shoes will be stylish and offer support. They will provide flexibility so that your feet can move as they need to move with stability and balance. Take a look at the following shoes. 1. Andone. 2. TTdancewear. 3. Akanu. 4. Hippoceus. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and share with your friends. For more dance tips, subscribe to the channel.